Hi dear students, how are you? Today we are come back to review another lesson. Listen to in chapter 6 about rational numbers. Today we review this lesson, student. We have rational numbers in page 120. Example. We have more examples. Write each rational numbers as a ratio A out of B. I say write a ratio A out of B or a rational numbers. We have 3 and 2 out of 5. How can write as a ratio A out of B? We use multiply and plus. 5 times 3 equal to 15. 15 plus 2 equal to 17. We write it in the numerator, students. And denominators, we have 5. We write the same denominator in denominator rational place B, or you can say we write the same denominator. We have 5. And we have 6 tenths. How can write as a ratio A out of B? Because we have 6 tenths, we say tenths, say 6 out of 10. And we have 40 to write as a ratio A out of B. All numbers, rational numbers, all numbers, students, can you write it the denominator with 1? The denominator with 1. 42 out of 1 we have. Any numbers, if whole number, all whole numbers and all integers, the denominator is 1, student. And in example D, we have negative 2.5 equal to what? Equal to negative 2 and 5 out of 10, because we have 5 tenths. We write it 5 out of 10, and 2 is whole numbers. We have 2 there, and we have negative sign. We have also negative sign there. And now 10 times 2 equal to 20. 20 plus 5 equal to 25. We write the same denominator and the same sign. We have negative. After that, 25 out of 10 is simplest form. No, just we need to write it by simplest form by dividing both of them by 5. 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Because you have negative sign, write it also, student, write the sign there. We have negative 5. And now we solve the practices. We have write each rational number in form A out of B. We have negative 37 hundredths. Because you have hundredths, we write it 37 out of 100. And because we have negative sign, we write the negative sign there. In example 4 or practice 4, we have 2 and 4 out of 5. 5 times 2 equal to 10. 10 plus 4 equal to 14. 14 out of 5, because denominator is 5, we write the denominator. And in practice 5, we have 889 thousandths. 889 thousandths. How can write as a ratio A out of? You have 889 out of 1000, student, because we have, and because we have positive sign, or we haven't any sign, it means we have positive sign. That is also positive. But there we have negative sign, also there we have negative sign. And practice 17 say write a rational number between the two given numbers, between negative 0.2 and negative 0.4. Which number is between both of them? We have negative 0.3. That's so easy. And between 0 and negative, 0 and positive 0.2, we have positive 0.1. We have positive also, because we have positive 0 and positive 0.2. This number 0.1 is between both of them. And question 20 says 3 out of 4 and 1 out of 2. Which number is between 3 out of 4 and 1 out of 2? We need to equal, we have the equal denominator. We have 4 and 2. What we do there? We multiply, if 2 multiply by 2 equal to 4. But between 2 and 3, we have any number? No. So we need to multiply by 2, and this one multiply by 4, a greater number. We need to multiply by a number which with greater. Now we have 3 out of 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 6 out of 8. Because 3 times 2 equal to 6, 4 times 2 equal to 8. And 1 out of 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8. We have equal denominator. And 1 multiplied by 4 equal to 4. And between 6 out of 8 and 4 out of 8, we have 5 out of 8 is between both of them. So 5 out of 8 is between 3 out of 4 and 1 out of 2, students. I think that's enough for this lesson. Goodbye, students. See you in the next. Goodbye.